guess the next project that I'm gonna be doing, I'll be making a one wheel. China was pretty much the only place where I can get the wheel hub motor thing. So it's got like destroyed in shipping. Oh dear. Okay. Well, this is it. So let's get started. So, I think I got it. I was able to program. Whoa. Okay, yeah. It's bad position for the wire. But I've got it so that I can control it using the MPU. Right now it's only set to 1 amp, I think, so that it doesn't just fly away. But as I tilt the gyro, the wheel moves. try. Here we go. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, there! It bounced! Chris, it's working! It's working! Woo!
Let's see.
Look! It's bouncing! Okay, you can't tell, but it's working. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chris, it's working. Whoa, whoa, okay.
It's working, I can see it.
You know, whoa, 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 okay. Okay, it's... Whoa, I can feel all the motor. Oh, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah, I need a lot of practice for this. Okay, okay, okay. Are you ready, Chris? Here we go, here we go. Okay, I need to first start by holding on to something. Here we go, here we go. Yeah. 3, 2. Whoa, okay, okay, click. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I got it. Whoa, this is weird. Okay. Whoa. Well, it's been officially 7 days since I started this project. It's not done yet. I'm gonna take it to school to powder coat it, and that's not too bad. I'm like jittery though. Okay, slowing down. Am I gonna try to go up there? Alright. Yeah, I've got to take this one slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Up we go. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh. Whee. It's slow, but that's just me. It's not bad for like, what, 3 days of practice. You gotta try it. Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Am I going for? I'll go first. You're getting a lot of close. Oi! Oh! It definitely slows me down, so your speed bumps work. I want to go faster. I don't know if I can go fast. Oh! Oh, yes! Wow, thanks, Chris. Well, it's working. What do you think, Chris?
I think it's going well.
Oh, yeah.
It's going well so far. So you do the sprint?
Oh, I'm gonna try to go up that. Beep, 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 beep. This is the back. This is the front. Put your foot here first. Back foot there. You have to keep the board level this way, or else it won't click on. You want to hold on to me? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay.
We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. Walk with me! Walk with me!
Oh man.
Looks like I'm constipated. I'm like going back.
Let go of that foot. Yeah. Do you have the keys?
Oh! Wait. A screwdriver?
Right now?
Yeah.
Whatever. Alright, got the rails. Well, I guess it's pretty much done now. It works pretty much like a real one wheel. I've even got the double foot pads here. So it actually, I've never ridden a real one wheel before, so I can't say for sure. But on paper, this is an 800 watt motor, and I should have about 40 more watt hours than the pint. So as for range, I haven't gone further. The specs are pretty close to the pint. It's not exact because I needed to fit all my stuff. The width is pretty much the same. The length is pretty much the same. I think it's 1 mil off, but it's whatever. The wheel I think is half an inch skinnier, I think. This is a 10 by 6 by 5.5. So it's pretty close, but it's not the same. So I think this will just be part 1 kind of for how this build is gonna go, because this is just kind of like the building phase and me testing the waters of a one wheel, because I've never ridden a one wheel before and I'm still practicing and I'm still just getting used to the board. Everything is functional, everything works. I guess let's take a quick tour of the one wheel and how basic operation. So it's pretty much the same thing. The only thing that I didn't really like is I was gonna get like a nice aluminum push button switch with like the light, just like the real one wheel. But after some research and seeing how the vest turns on and off, you need like I think 10 really powerful MOSFETs to handle the current of the capacitors charging up, and I couldn't get those in time. Like it's gonna be like another month or so. I need to get them from China. So right now I think I'll just stick with this, but it's kind of ugly. But my solution is to just have a XT90 spark arrestor, and that just, this is just a jumper so it shorts, and then that just plugs into here. Then that just turns the board on, so I don't get the spark. As for operation, it's the same thing pretty much. Put your foot down here and then put your foot down here, and then it'll balance. So lift your foot off. What's nice about the vest is I can tune all the parameters, how much tilt I want, the PIDs for the gyroscope. So that's all programmable, which is nice, so I can tinker and do it to what I like. Wiring wise, I didn't really take too much video of it. I just thought it was going to be kind of boring if you just kind of watch me solder without any idea what's happening. But I have 4 batteries that are all wired in series, and the balance connectors are all connected to a BMS. So it's complicated wiring it, because if you get it wrong you will short a cell. So just make sure you know what you're doing if you're gonna do it. Now this wasn't my idea exactly. It was kind of inspired by another YouTube channel. I'll put it here. They made a DIY one wheel and I got a lot of information from them, so that was very helpful. But a lot of this was really like, this was all, foot pads are all foot plate or whatever. The platform is all 3D printed, and those were all designed by me, so I didn't take it very literal from him. And fun fact, these rails, these aren't aluminum, these are galvanized steel. And these actually came from a garage door opener, our old one in our house that we took apart. So I kind of looked at the rails and I was like, I could make something out of that. I'm glad we didn't throw them away, so it's pretty nice. It can do regenerative braking, so it's the same thing with the one wheel, and it will actually charge the batteries, which is pretty nice. So things in the future I'll probably do, since this is kind of part 1. Part 2 will probably be just kind of decking this out and maybe putting logo. I don't know if I'll do the one wheel logo, but it'll look pretty close to the XR, which is pretty cool. And then I'll maybe put a nicer platform here to cover up all the wiring. And then maybe put a fender. I probably can make my own and 3D print that. I'll probably put some plastic guards there or whatever, so that it doesn't scratch it, because I don't really want to scratch it. This is really nice powder coating, and it's not perfect. We had problems putting it in the oven. This video is probably super long. If you stuck around that long, congrats. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more of this one wheel, and just make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. It will really help. I think that's a wrap. Anyways, thanks for watching.